With our free FBDS Chrome extension, selling on Facebook is super easy. Everyone with an eligible Facebook account can start selling in no time. All you need is to list and sell on Facebook Marketplace. We'll take care of the rest. Once you add FBDS Chrome extension to your Chrome web browser or any Chrome-compatible web browser, such as Opera or Microsoft Edge, make sure you pin it so that you can open it anytime you want. Now click the FBDS extension icon to open it. We suggest putting the FBDS extension window right next to your web browser so you can see both at the same time. Selling on Facebook is about two things: finding and listing products on Facebook Marketplace, and once you get orders, fulfilling them. Now let's see how you can create a listing with FBDS. The home page of the extension gives you all the essential information to get started. Click Find and List Products. You'll be taken to the Products page, where you can search and list products on Facebook. You can browse and search products here, or if you feel like the extension window is too small, do it on fbdsdirect.com. On the website, once you find a product you want, click the floating plus button, and you'll be able to add it to My Products. Come back to the extension window and click the Show My Products Only toggle, and you'll be able to view the products you've added. You can click the heart icon here to add a product to My Products as well. Let's say you find a product you want to sell. First, make sure you're logged into Facebook. Then click List It. It will open the listing creation UI. Here you'll need to add product images, enter titles, descriptions, and other information. We make it very easy with the FBDS extension. In the extension, click Download All Images. You'll be able to download all product images at once into a zip file. Open the zip file and extract all images. Drag and drop them into Add Photos on Facebook. You may need to rearrange these images to make them more appealing to potential buyers. Copy and paste the title and description, set price, category, and conditions. You may modify the title and description just a bit to add a personal touch and make it more accurate. For availability, if you have just started selling on Facebook, we suggest setting it to 2 or 3. Once it's sold, add another one. This way you can be more active on Facebook. Being active will help you get more traffic and sales. You may add product tags to help potential buyers find your product. You may turn on Hide from Friends so that your friends won't see you're selling something. Click Next. Here, make sure you choose Shipping Only for your delivery method. You definitely don't want someone to pick it up at your house. For the shipping option, choose Use Your Own Shipping Label and 0 for the shipping rate. Remember, all products from FBDS ship free. Also make sure to check Turn on Free Shipping for this listing, which will help you get more traffic. Click Next. Here we suggest turning off Allow Offers. Otherwise, you might get too many requests from potential buyers asking for a lower price. When you're done with all the steps, click Publish. You'll see the newly created listing. Remember to enter the listing URL into the FBDS extension so later, when you get orders, the extension can guide you through the fulfillment process. To do this, click the Share button on the newly created listing. Then copy link and paste it into the listing URL field in the FBDS extension. Then click Add. Note that multiple listing URLs can be added to the same product. You can view all listings under a product in the Listings Created tab. Congratulations! You've now created a listing. Just repeat the same process and create more listings. The more listings you have, the more chance you'll get sales.